Marelli Motori service was created to provide supplementary services for machines supplied to our customers, or as an after-sales service to assist customers throughout the entire life cycle of installed products to ensure that they maintain their operational performance. We have developed a range of products and services that are available throughout the entire Asia-Pacific region. While our headquarters can provide support, know-how, and technology to customers in their areas, as well as to service departments in other areas of the group. Repairs can be done at our in-house service facilities, which offers the guarantee of having our industrial process expertise. In fact, Marelli Motori is synonymous with engineering expertise that translates into the ability to master different market applications, providing new equipment and after-sales assistance. We are able to offer full reconditioning on electric machines, which will restore them to their zero-hour condition. Repairs are completed by carrying out full-load functional tests, and our test room is one of the most advanced in Europe, thanks to its state-of-the-art technologies. Similar activities are performed in the Asia-Pacific area, following in-house repairs managed in the repair center at our company in Asia. Marelli Motori can provide support during troubleshooting and preventive maintenance at the customer site. One of the most effective services is predictive diagnostics, which is a complete series of predictive tests on all electrical and mechanical operating functional parameters, which provide guidance on how to protect machines from failures and downtime. This service is provided on a global scale. The quality and effectiveness of our diagnostic services are guaranteed by the use of high-tech equipment that complies with the ISO international standards to work on new generation machines or those already installed and in service for years. This will allow the customer to extend equipment service life, improve system reliability and availability, prevent catastrophic failures, reduce machine downtime, reduce overall costs. The Marelli Motori service was created with the dual aim of offering a technological partnership to its customers throughout the whole product life cycle and transferring know-how on the technical features of the product as well as on its operation and main maintenance procedures. The added value of having Marelli Motori as a partner comes from being able to draw on a precise and solid industrial culture which can guarantee an optimal combination of performance, value, and quality, and therefore a reduction of the total cost of ownership. We can proudly say that the attention Marelli Motori pays to its customers and products is a guarantee arising from its 128 years of history and made in Italy.